Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use your own blocks in Scratch. So let's go ahead and get started. First, as you can see, there is a one green file, click point direction 90, set color effect to 0, and then there's a repeat 1000, and then there's a forever loop, and there's a repeat 10, turn 15 degrees, and like that, all that stuff. But just to do it like this, if it's very hard for you, you might be able to use something. So it's a my block. So as you can see, this is a sprite one. I just used it. You can also make a backdrop if you want, or you can make one. Ooh, that's cool. Okay, no, I don't want that one. I want this one, like this, hearts. And then it's gonna keep turning. As you can see, it's just turning, and then it's just changing colors. So how to split it apart a little bit is we can use our own blocks. So how do you do that? Well, when you go to this all the way down, all below all of the other original categories, there is this my block. Click on that pink category, and then as you can see, there are no blocks. That's because we haven't made any blocks. So if you click on this make a block, you can make your own block. Isn't that so cool? Okay, and anyways, now we're gonna make our own block. So what I'm gonna name this is I'm gonna make it turn. So as you can see, there's a little loop here. As you can see, there's a start thing. So when green flag click, you can do turn, and then you can do all this stuff instead of doing all this other stuff. And then when you do that, then forever loop, it's gonna repeat. So what's it gonna do is it's gonna say when the return comes, then what you're going to do is you are going to add a block called start code. You can add any block. I'm not recognizing that you're supposed to do with all this stuff, because you can do any of these stuff. So as you can see, now it's much very easier. So there you go. That is how you can use your own my blocks in Scratch. You just have to click on my block and then name block, and then drag out one of these and put them somewhere, and then drag out one of these little loops. So I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial of Learn Scratch, and in this video I showed you how to make your own blocks by clicking make a block and add a name. You can add an input, or you can add a boolean, or you can add a label. You can add any of those stuff to your blocks, but I just wanted to show you how the basics of this my block thing. Keep exploring in all these other like stuff, like for example, like something like a lot of code or a platformer or something. You might be able to use the inputs and number of text inputs and input, add inputs. You can use number text, and you can use a boolean, or you can use add a label for text. So you can use any of those stuff in platformers and stuff. So I just wanted to show you how to use my blocks thing. So if you create a boolean or something, you can drag out something like this. I'll show you. If I put in the input and I say yeah, just yeah, then when you drag out that, it just comes yeah. I don't know why I did that because I don't want to do that, but I just showed you just for fun. Okay, anyways, that was the end of the My Box tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial. I can't wait to see you next time on my next Learn Scratch video. Bye, guys. Yeah, and you can also see my other projects here too. I'm looking for my intro. Oh, there.